Google Bart for teachers. 10 methods teachers can use Google Bart to make their lives easier. Let me show you how to use it. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type Google Bart. Open the first link. This is the Google Bart site, bart.google.com. This is the URL to open it. This is the light theme mode. If you want to use dark mode, then you can click on Use Dark Mode. Use any mode which you like. Here, you can type question related to any topic for any grade level to teach. Method 1. Generate reading passages. Google Bart can write a reading passage on any topic you can think of. For example, you can say, write a passage about mountains at a 4th grade reading level. Here you got a passage for grade 4 on the topic mountains. Now, I will say to write a passage about mountains at a 10th grade reading level. For grade 4th, it has used easy words, and for grade 10th, it has used difficult words. In this way, you can ask to write passage for any topic for any grade level. Method 2. Write notes to parents. You can write notes to parents by using Google Bart. Write a note to parents about first term exams starting from 25th May 2023 till 15 June 2023. The note has been written. Dear parents, this is to inform you that the first term exams for the academic year 2022 till 2023 will be held from 25th May 2023 to 15 June 2023. The exam will be held on a daily basis from 8 am to 12 pm. We request you to kindly help your child in preparing for the exams. Please encourage them to study regularly and revise the notes and textbooks. You may also help them to create a study schedule and to manage their time effectively. On the day of the exam, please ensure that your child arrives at school on time. They should also bring their admit card and any other necessary materials. We wish all the students the best of luck for their exams. Thank you for your cooperation. Google Bart has written note to parents in a professional manner. Now, I will say to write a note to parents about parent-teacher meeting to be held on 5th June 2023. It has written, Dear parents, this is to inform you that a parent-teacher meeting will be held on 5th June 2023 at 10 am in the school auditorium. The meeting will be an opportunity for you to discuss your child's progress with their teachers. We request you to kindly attend the meeting and share your thoughts and suggestions on how we can help their child achieve their full potential. We look forward to meeting you and discussing your child's progress. Thank you for your cooperation. Here are some additional details about the parent-teacher meeting. The meeting will be held in the school auditorium. The meeting will start at 10 am and end at 12 pm. You will have the opportunity to meet with your child's teacher and discuss their progress. You will also have the opportunity to share your thoughts and suggestions on how we can help your child achieve their full potential. We look forward to seeing you at the meeting. In this way, you can write notes to parents on any topic. Method 3. Generate lesson plans. Develop your lesson plans with the help of Google Bart. Use Google Bart's idea as a starting point, then add your own style and teaching expertise. For example, you can say write lesson plans for mountains. Sure, here is a lesson plan for mountains. Lesson plan, subject, grade level, topic, time, objectives, materials, procedure, assessment, differentiation, extension activities. Now I will say to write lesson plan for animal adaptation for grade 6. Sure, here is a lesson plan for animal adaptation for grade 6. Lesson plan, subject, grade level, topic, time, objectives, materials, procedure, assessment, differentiation, extension activities. In this way, you can write lesson plans for any topic using Google Bart. Method 4. Provide examples. Google Bart can provide examples to use in lessons. For example, you can say write 100 examples of countable noun. You can see 100 examples of countable noun. Also, you got the definition of countable noun. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be used individually. They can be used with numbers and articles. For example, I have one apple, or there are two dogs in the yard. Now I will say to write 100 examples of uncountable noun. You can see 100 examples of uncountable noun. Also, you got the definition of uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted individually. They are used with mass nouns and do not have a plural form. For example, I need some advice, or there is a lot of traffic on the road. In this way, you can ask Google Bard to write examples on any topic. Method 5. Create math problems. Do you need a practice problem or question for a test? Google Bard can do that. For example, you can say math problem using square root for grade 8. Sure, here is a math problem using square root for grade 8. A square has a side length of 12 cm. What is its area? To solve this problem, we first need to find the square of the side length. The square of a number is the number multiplied by itself. In this case, the square of 12 is equal to 12 multiplied by 12 is equal to 144. In this way, we got the solution of this problem as well. Now, I will say to write 10 math problems using fractions for grade 4. Sure, here are 10 math problems using fraction for grade 4. You can see all of these problems. Now, I will say to write math problem with solution using fractions for grade 4. Sure, here is a math problem with solution using fractions for grade 4. To solve this problem, we can use the following steps. They have shown us the steps to solve this problem. In this way, you get math problem with solution on any math topic for any grade level. Method 6. Ask for writing edits and suggestions. Have students write a paragraph on any topic, then ask Google Bard to offer edits and suggestions. Now compare the two and ask students why Google Bard made the changes. How can they use these tips when they are writing on their own? For example, I have copied a text. I will ask to find out mistakes in this paragraph. I will paste the text with mistakes. You can see the answer. The paragraph you provided is correct, but there are few ways to improve it. First, the sentence, "A computer virus is a type of malware malicious software," is a bit redundant. You could simply say, "A computer virus is a type of malware." Second, the sentence, "designed to make copies of itself on any drive connected to your computer," is a bit vague. In this way, we got the idea how we can write this paragraph more clear. You can see the revised version of paragraph. It is in proper manner with bullets point, making it more clear and readable. In this way, you can get help from Google Bard while identifying mistakes from text. Method 7. Make list. Do you need a list of anything? Google Bard is on it. For example, I will say to write a list of adverbs. Here you got the list of adverbs divided into different categories, like adverb of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, adverbs of evaluation, conjunctive adverb. You got the definition of adverb as well. Now I will say to write a list of animals that live in water. Here is a list of animals that live in water. This is just a small sample of the many animals that live in water. There are millions of different species of animals that call the water their home. Now I will say to write a list of phrases and clauses. Here is a list of phrases and clauses. Phrases. In phrases, you can see different types of phrases like noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective, and adverb phrase. List of clauses like dependent clause, independent clause. This is the definition of phrase. Here are some examples of how phrases and clauses can be used in a sentence. In this way, you can use Google Bard to generate a list of anything. Method 8. Create writing prompts. Let Google Bard start a story and have your students finish it. This is perfect for students who say they don't know how to begin. For example, I will say to write a story about horror house and a boy inside it. Here is a story about a horror house and a boy inside it. The story is in small paragraphs. Now I will say to write a story about adventure in a forest. Here is a story about an adventure in a forest. In this way, Google Bard can write a story on any topic of your choice. Method 9. Teach vocabulary. Introduce new words in several different sentences. This is a cool and interactive way to remind students to use context to understand a new words. For example, I will say to use ostentatious in a sentence. Here are some examples of how to use the word ostentatious in a sentence. Here, the definition of the word is given. Also, it has explained how and where to use a word. Now, I will say to use pseudonym in a sentence. Here are some examples of how to use the word pseudonym in a sentence. At the end, they have given the definition of the word and also explained where to use the word. Now, I will say to use satire in a sentence. Here are some examples of how to use the word satire in a sentence. Definition and details of the word. Now, I will say to use simile in a sentence. Here is an example of how to use the word simile in a sentence. Here is a definition of the word. Here are some other examples of similes. Here it is written where we can use similes. Method 10. Create MCQs test. First, I will show you how to make MCQs for a science subject. 10 MCQs on topic mountains for grade 4. Here are 10 multiple choice questions on the topic of mountains for grade 4 students. By clicking on the 3-dot button, you can copy the text. By clicking on View Other Drafts, you can see other MCQs on the given topic. Next, I will show you how to make MCQs for English subject. 10 MCQs on topic conjunction for grade 4. Here are 10 multiple choice questions on the topic of conjunctions for grade 4. You can see other drafts as well. Search related topics like 10 MCQs on topic conjunction grade 4. What is conjunction in MCQs? What is a conjunction for grade 4? 10 MCQs on topic addition and subtraction for grade 4. You can check out draft 1, draft 2 and draft 3. In this way, teachers can use 10 easy methods to make their classwork easier. Thank you for watching this video.